Another day, another product to review. This time, I received this box from BRDRC. Let's check it out. I got 2 drone strobe lights and 3 pairs of propeller guards and landing gear extension. That's it, let me install it. Let's start with the propeller guards. And since there are 3, I'll unbox and install one of them first. So, this seems to have the same color as the original guard. Inside the box, you also have the 4 landing gear extension of the same color. Okay, let me now remove the original guard so I can try the one from BRDRC. To compare, it does have a little bit of differences on the design. Let's try this out now and install it. It has the same locks as the original, so it won't be difficult to install. There you go, almost the same. You can identify this guard from BRDRC by the design where there is a ring on top of the rotors. But it has the same plastic material, so the weight is almost the same. Anyway, I did not notice that the other boxes are of different colors. I just realized the color of the guards is on the box. The other 2 are colored orange and pink. This is the one with orange color. So it's the same design, just a different color. And now, this is the pink color. This may be for the lady droners out there. Make DJI Neo a pink drone. Now, it's time to install the landing gear extension. There's really no instruction on how to install it, so I need to figure out how to do it. I'm not really sure which one goes to which leg. So I tried one of them on one leg to see how to fit it. But I had a hard time figuring it out. What I noticed is that, like the propellers, 2 of them has locks facing left, and the other 2 are facing right. It would be best if it has a white ring indicator to know which one goes to which leg. So I continue with my struggle, but finally figured it out. Yes, the sound of that click. Done with the first, let me complete the rest. There. Finally. Not bad. Still able to install after a few tries. Now you have a few millimeters of additional height. This will help if you land DJI Neo on rocky or grassy ground. It will protect both propellers and camera from hitting something. Let's see if this will affect flying DJI Neo. Looks good. Doesn't seem to affect how it flies. I think orange is a good color on DJI Neo. Let me install it. It seems like it gives DJI Neo a boost on how it looks like. How is that? Do you like it? I think I like it. Let's fly this again. You can check out the description for the link where you may purchase this propeller guard and landing gear extension from BRDRC on Amazon. Thank you for watching and see you on the next.